Donald Trump reacts to sentencing in New York court case, declaring victory over witch hunt, about 40 minutes after the conclusion of a sentencing hearing in New York on January 10. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump posted on the social media platform Truth Social, asserting that Democrats had failed in their witch hunt, despite spending tens of millions of dollars and 6 years of effort. Today's event was a disgraceful farce. Now that this farce is over, we will appeal this baseless fraud and restore the American people's faith in the once great justice system of our nation, Trump wrote, calling for the case to be entirely dismissed. The U.S. president-elect avoided a prison sentence for felony charges in the hush money case in New York. Judge Juan Merchan delivered the sentencing on January 10, marking a pivotal moment in a historic criminal proceeding just weeks before Trump's return to the White House. Judge Merchan handed down an unconditional discharge, meaning the president-elect would be exonerated without fines, imprisonment, or probation despite being convicted of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. Although the verdict renders Trump a convicted felon, he will not face any additional penalties beyond the mark on his record. Trump is scheduled to take office on January 20, making him the first former president to be convicted of a crime and the first person with a criminal record to hold the powerful office of U.S. president. Speaking to the court via video just before the sentencing, Trump called the case a very terrible experience, unjust, and a political witch hunt. This has been a very terrible experience. I think it's a major setback for New York and its judicial system, he said, alongside his attorney, Todd Blanche. Am I being prosecuted over business records? People need to understand the real story here. This is a political witch hunt designed to damage my reputation so I lose the election. Clearly, that didn't work. Explaining the sentence, Judge Merchan stated that Trump's victory in the presidential race does not diminish the seriousness of the violations or justify criminal behavior in any way, but it does warrant consideration. The court has determined that the only legally permissible sentence for a conviction that does not interfere with the highest office in the land is an unconditional discharge, Merchan said. He emphasized that he had never encountered a case as extraordinary as this one and reiterated that Trump's impending presidency could not erase the guilty verdict delivered by the jury. In late May 2024, a New York grand jury found Trump guilty on 34 counts of falsifying business records related to hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels to bolster his prospects in the 2016 presidential election. Trump pleaded not guilty and had previously called the case an illegal political attack, orchestrated by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, a Democrat. Falsifying business records can carry a prison sentence of up to 4 years, but imprisonment is not mandatory. Before Trump's election victory, legal experts had noted that he was unlikely to face incarceration due to his lack of prior convictions and advanced age.